Future simple. We use future simple to predict future events.
It will be sunny tomorrow.
To express promises.
I promise I will make my bed.
To make spontaneous or quick decisions.
Mary, my computer is not working.
Don't worry. I will help you fix it.
We also use the future simple for coming events.
Your grandma will arrive in a few minutes.
I'm so happy.
Let's recap. We use the future simple to predict future events, to express promises, to make spontaneous or quick decisions, and to talk about coming events.